Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 26th of October 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 26th of October 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which telecommunication company has been selected by NASA to build the first ever cellular network on moon? Answer is Nokia. 24th October is celebrated annually as dash. Answer is option number 4, all of the above. That is World Information Development Day, World Polio Day and United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th of October every year. Third question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Snow Leopard Day? Answer is 23rd October. Fourth question was, which state has topped in domestic tourist visit list according to recently released India Tourism Statistics 2020? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Fifth question was, which state government has recently launched electricity consumer portal called Mo Vidyut Portal? Answer is Odisha. India ranked at which position in International Migration Outlook Report 2020 released by OECD? Answer is second. Portraits of Power is an autobiography of dash. Answer is N.K. Singh, who has become the first cricketer to play 200 matches in IPL. Answer is MS Dhoni. Which of the following country has recently test fired SANT missile? Answer is India. And last question was, Dr. Vijayalakshmi Ramnan has recently died at the age of 96. She was dash. Answer is first women officer of Indian Air Force. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following state government has recently launched Safe City Project, a women safety campaign? Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, the governor of Uttar Pradesh, Anandibin Patel, has launched Safe City Project, a women safety campaign in Uttar Pradesh, and this project is a 180-day long campaign under which police and other department will work together for strengthening the security of women in public places. Also, this campaign will involve the movement of women police personnel to inculcate the feeling of pride and safety for women in Lucknow. Answer will be option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state has topped in Anemia Free India Index 2020? Answer is option number 2, Haryana. Anemia Free India or Anemia Mukt Bharat is an initiative of UNICEF and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, which has been launched to reduce the prevalence of anemia all over the country. Anemia is caused due to the iron deficiency, which impacts the capacity of individuals' blood cells to carry oxygen. And recently, UNICEF and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has released Anemia Free India Index 2020, and in this index, Haryana has been ranked at top in the Anemia Mukt Bharat among the 29 states in India. And in 2019-20, Haryana has achieved nearly 90% of immunization, as the state health department has been providing immunization against 12 vaccine prevented disease in Haryana. Answer will be option number 2, Haryana. Next, which of the following international organization has released the Future of Jobs Report 2020? Answer is option number 1, WEF, that is World Economic Forum, has recently released the third edition of the Future Jobs Report 2020. As per the report, the COVID-19 will disrupt more than 85 million jobs by 2025, and this report has been prepared by World Economic Forum on the basis of projections of senior business leaders of more than 300 global firms. Answer will be option number 1, WEF, World Economic Forum. It is an international NGO. It was formed on January 1971, headquartered in Switzerland, and currently CEO is Klaus M. Schwab. Next, who has announced an emergency financing of $25 million to help the poorest countries in facing massive challenges caused due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 3, World Bank. Recently, the World Bank has announced an emergency financing of $25 million to help the poorest countries in facing challenges caused due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 3, World Bank. World Bank, it was formed on July 1944, headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, President is David Malpass, CFO is Anshula Kant, and Chief Economist is Carmen Reinhardt. And motto of World Bank is working for a world free of poverty. Next, which country has recorded the highest air pollution level according to the report called State of Global Air 2020? Answer is option number 1, India. Recently, the report called State of Global Air 2020 has been released by the Health Effect Institute, and the report highlights that the air pollution is the largest risk factor for deaths among all health risks, and it is the first ever comprehensive analysis of the air pollution's global impact on newborns. And in this index, it has been mentioned that India has recorded the highest air pollution level in 2019. Answer will be option number 1, India. Next question. Recently, Dr. Jayant Madhav has died at the age of 90. He was a dash. Answer is option number 3, economist. Look into the image. This was Dr. Jayant Madhav. He was a prominent economist of India and founder, chairman and MD of Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited, and he recently died at the age of 90. Next, which state government has launched the Smart Blackboard scheme? Answer is option number 2, Tamil Nadu. Recently, the state government of Tamil Nadu has launched the Smart Blackboard scheme in more than 80,000 government schools in Tamil Nadu to provide better teaching environment. And the scheme is aimed at using the audio visual teaching material in the schools. It can also be integrated with digital classrooms and smart classroom schemes. The Blackboard scheme will create materials that can be fed into computer screens using pen drives. Answer will be option number 2, Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which telecom company has announced to launch My Amber mobile application for protecting women from domestic violence? Answer is option number 4, VI. That is Vodafone Idea has announced to launch application for women domestic violence prevention. Domestic violence has been seen a rapid rise when country has been together by lockdown, and My Amber app will help and guide women in preventing domestic violence. It will also give complete information about the bad treatment and violence that happens to women in the reliable way. Answer will be option number 4. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Parle Agro recently? Answer is option number 2, Priyanka Chopra. Parle Agro is an Indian company of consumer goods. It was founded in 1984, and recently Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Parle Agro. Next question. Which of the following state government has recently formed task force to reduce human-animal conflict? Answer is option number 3, Odisha. Recently, in a view of growing incidents of man-animal conflict in Odisha, the government of Odisha has formed a special state-level task force. Answer will be option number 3. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Day? Answer is option number 3, 16th October. Every year, 16th October is celebrated as World Food Day. Now, today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day for the eradication of poverty? Options are 14th October, 15th October, 16th October and 17th October. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.